In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in CapCut PC. If you want to give your video a cleaner, more professional feel, adding a background track is one of the easiest ways to do it. A good music bed can help your content feel more polished, keep the pacing engaging, and fill in quiet moments without distracting from your main audio. The good news is that CapCut on PC makes this process very simple. To get started, look at the top left area of the screen and click on the Audio tab. Once you do that, you'll see a vertical column underneath with different audio options. From there, click on the Music folder. This opens CapCut's built-in cloud library, where you can browse a large collection of free background tracks and instrumentals directly inside the editor. This is a great option because you don't need to leave the program or import outside files just to find something that works. Inside the music library, CapCut organizes tracks by genre, which makes it much easier to narrow down the right style for your project. For example, you can click into categories like tech or vlog if you want something modern, light, and not too distracting. These kinds of tracks often work really well as background music because they support the video without pulling too much attention away from your voice or visuals. Before adding anything to your timeline, it's a good idea to preview a few options. To do that, hover your mouse over a track in the list and click the small play icon on the song row. That lets you hear a quick preview so you can get a feel for the mood, tempo, and overall style before committing to it. Taking a few extra seconds here can save you time later and help you choose something that matches your video better. Once you find the track you want to use, click the blue plus icon on the right side of that row. CapCut will immediately place the full music track onto your timeline as a blue audio block underneath your video. After that, click once on the blue audio track so it's selected. Then move to the top right Properties panel and adjust the volume slider down to around -25 decibels. This is a solid starting point for background music because it helps keep the track subtle and prevents it from overpowering your voice. And that's it! You've added high-quality background music and adjusted it for a clean, balanced mix in just a few seconds.